What makes something resilient? Is it the sun shining its warmth on faces? Its light and its heat teaching us how to grow, how to reach higher, how to push through, how to ask for a drink of water? Or is it the moon glowing for us in the night sky, illuminating with its secrets, teaching us how to be bright, even in the darkness, teaching us how to be still, how to be patient, so that we can start over again each day. Resilience can be heard in the song of birds each morning, can be seen in a gaze, our eyes telling the stories of those who came before us. It can be heard in a laugh and felt in a movement, or meet us like an old friend after we've reached the end of a road. Resilience is in our nature. It's alive, in me, in you.